Why do 70% of gamers struggle to choose between a PlayStation 5 and a custom PC? Alright, let's break it down. First up, PlayStation 5. It's plug and play, comes with exclusive titles like Spider-Man and God of War, and has killer graphics right out of the box. Plus, no need to worry about building or compatibility issues. But, what about a custom PC? For the same price, you get more power, upgrade flexibility, and access to a massive library of games across multiple platforms. Plus, you can customize it to your heart's content. RGB lights, anyone? So, what's the verdict? If you want simplicity and exclusive games, go for the PS5. If you crave customization and future-proofing, a custom PC is your best bet. Which side are you on? Let us know in the comments. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more gaming content.